First in line this Saturday morning is David from Orlando. David, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Good morning, sir. I have a friend who bought a house with her brother. He used it for his business, and she lived there. He signed papers saying he did not reside there. That was never his residence.
All right.
He since moved his business away, but he doesn't contribute to the taxes or the maintenance, and he's still on the deed.
All right.
Is he responsible to pay half of that, all those bills that come up to take care of the house?
He owns one half the house, therefore he is obligated to pay one half the expenses. However, on the other side of the coin, she is sitting in that house all by herself, therefore she is obligated to pay a reasonable rental value. If the reasonable rental value of that house is $1,000 a month, then she should be paying $1,000 a month into a joint account and using that money to pay these expenses. All right, so just because she's an owner, it's no different than if a third-party arm's-length renter was living there paying them rent. David, does that make sense?
Yes, it does make sense, but say, because the taxes are, like, say, in the 2,000 area, and then plus all the upkeep, so even if she has to pay some sort of rent, it shouldn't really offset his obligation. Should it?
No, because if the reasonable rental value is $1,000 a month and they had a third-party tenant in there, he would be putting $500 a month in his pocket, and he'd be using that money to pay these expenses.
Okay, so his only real defense is that he might not be liable for the his complete half of the bills.
No, David, you completely missed my point here, okay? All right? So let's pretend that she's not living there, that a tenant is living there and paying $1,000 a month. From that $1,000 a month, she gets $500. She pays half the expenses. He gets $500 in his pocket. He pays half the expenses. All right? You're asking him to pay half the expenses. She needs to be paying a reasonable rental value for what any other tenant would be paying there, David. I hope you get it. All right? So that's my expense. It's probably not the answer you're looking for, but it's fair is fair.